Welcome to Excool. My name's John Pettit and I'm the Chief Commercial Officer. We design, develop and deliver energy efficient cooling solutions for data centres. We've pioneered indirect adiabatic cooling for data centres since 2010 and this year we're celebrating our 10th anniversary. We're based here in the West Midlands and we have about 180,000 square foot of production facility and we employ upwards of about 150 people. Over the last decade, we have supplied in excess of 1,000 units, serving over 250 megawatts of IT space across Europe, Asia and South America. This makes Excool the largest supplier of indirect active cooling solutions for data centres in Europe, bar none. We have now launched the Excool Zero, a superior design and the latest generation of our advanced data centre indirect cooling system, which coincides with the opening of our very first US facility at Greer in South Carolina. This is the Excool Zero. The Excool Zero represents 10 years of product development, deployment and site feedback. It addresses the challenge that did not exist 10 years ago. Data centre developments are far larger today than they were a decade ago. We cannot continue to use a valuable resource such as water at the same volume as we did back then. Excool Zero addresses this and has lowered our dependency on water to a point where we can operate the system with minimal water quantities and even run dry if required or even when water is unavailable. The adiabatic system is total loss, eliminating recirculation of water and the associated maintenance routines. This results in a significant reduction of maintenance man hours and costs. It's designed with sustainability in mind, using a high proportion of recyclable material. Those materials are also non-corroding and we also offer a 20-year anti-corrosion warranty, meaning that this product is built to last. We have consolidated the Excool range to a single 250 kilowatt model, allowing us to hold stock, improving our lead time agility. We have also increased our production from 6 to 20 units per week and can improve this further as the demand will no doubt increase. The Excool Zero water atomisation has been completely redesigned for the Excool Zero. We use high pressure variable speed pumps to deliver precise water volumes, therefore minimising any overspray and water wastage. Virtually no water goes to drain. There's no recirculation. The Excool Zero unique umbrella delivery system ensures maximum absorption of the evaporation directly into the fan inlet. The Excool Zero system has an onboard water treatment and storage system. By having it on board, we eliminate the capital and operational expenditure associated with centralised water treatment systems, such as reverse osmosis or water softening plant, and the treated water distribution and storage infrastructure. We simply require a pressurised mains water supply to each unit. The onboard water treatment consists of the 3 filters. We have a 1 micron filter, a 0.2 micron filter and a phosphate filter. The 1 micron filter really filters out any large particles in the water that's larger than 1 micron, but it's there to protect the 0.2 micron biological filter. This filter is very important because it filters out any biological nasties that might be in the water supply and prevents them from breeding. And the phosphate filter, which is the last filter, is there to prevent and minimise any scaling. We simply require a pressurised main supply to each unit. The Excool Zero unit requires no centralised support systems and we hand back the space normally devoted to water treatment systems back to the client to be used for revenue generation.
At Excool, we believe in keeping things simple or modular without the need for central plant.
The onboard water treatment system is one part of the modularisation. The second critical part is the inbuilt water storage tank. The Excool Zero's integrated water tank enables the system to operate for 24 hours without the need for any external water tanks or complex pump systems. The addition of the water tank built into the unit has many benefits, including reducing day one capex, reducing installation time, and saves valuable plant space, making the Excool Zero a truly modular solution.
The Excool Zero heat exchanger is a result of a decade of R&D that's led to the evolution of the Excool Zero's new and unique heat exchanger design. This has a more compact airflow pattern, it results in a more compact unit, shortening the footprint, it has a lower capital cost, and it has a faster production time. The heat exchanger is manufactured from a non-metallic, non-corroding material for longevity and to ensure the separation of indoor and outdoor air streams, which is a critical part of all indirect evaporative systems. The Excool Zero units all use Corel controls. The Corel controller is a built-in life support system to ensure fast restart after a power outage. The Corel controls are compatible with most common BMS protocols, has an interface panel on each unit, and the unit can be controlled on differential pressure or temperature in the data hall. All units are linked to a local area network to ensure harmonious control amongst the team.
Choosing a system with the flexibility of operation is critical for efficient operation of any cooling system for a data center. The operational modes need to be flexible in respect to climate conditions, cost of power, and cost of water. The Excool Zero system allows data center operators to manage their operations of their cooling systems with ease. The operator can either select the units to function in energy priority mode, where overall reduction in energy is prioritized. Alternatively, the operator can run the systems in water priority mode, where reducing the overall water consumption becomes the key driver. Regardless of the selected priority mode, the system will always be able to operate without water for 24 hours should a water outage event ever occur on site. The ability to operate without water without having to install additional cooling systems offers the best solution for many data center operators.
When it comes to performance, the Excool Zero is world-beating, offering the option to operate in energy priority mode that demonstrates the lowest best-in-class partial PUE, or operating in water priority mode, where the unit would feature the lowest WUE values of any indirect evaporative data center cooling solution on the market today.
The Excool Zero comes to site as a packaged unit with no site assembly required. This reduces installation time and also costs. The Excool Zero is the lowest in class operating weight, which will result in a lower structural associated costs. In addition, the reduced size of the Excool Zero unit has resulted in a 20% increase in installed density. We can now provide up to 90 kilowatts per linear metre of perimeter wall. And a higher density means a higher ratio of revenue generating space versus support system space allocation.